StudyMojo.com.
The next question is, they are given some APs with some missing terms. We have to find out the missing terms. That is the next question. In the following APs, find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. This is the question. First question is, first one, 2 dash 26. Second one, dash 13 dash 3. Third question is 5 dash 9.5. Fourth question, -4 dash 6. Question number 5. Fifth question is dash 38 dash -22. These are the questions, and we have to find out the missing terms. For finding the missing term in the first question, remember the formula for finding the midterm. When three consecutive terms of an AP are given, the midterm B is equal to A plus C by 2. Using the formula B is equal to A plus C by 2, we can find out this midterm 2 plus 26 by 2. 2 plus 26 by 2. 2 plus 26 is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14 is the missing term in the first question, 14. Now, here also we can use the finding formula for finding the second missing term, that is B is equal to, here B is equal to 13 plus 3 by 2. 13 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Here it is 8. Now we consider the AP in the reverse order. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Then the missing term, first missing term is 13 plus 5. 18 is the first missing term. Once more, we are finding the middle term using the formula B is equal to A plus C by 2. Here, this is A and this is C. A plus C means 13 plus 3 by 2. 16 by 2 is equal to 8 is the second missing term. Now, in the reverse order, consider the AP. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Thus, we find out the two missing terms. In the third question, we are knowing the first term and the fourth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Second and third terms are missing. So, we have to use the formula for finding the fourth term. Fourth term, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A plus 3D. The value of A is known. A is equal to 5. That is 5 plus 3D is equal to 9.5. That is 9.5. Therefore, 3D is equal to 9.5 minus 5. That means 3D is equal to 9.5 minus 5 is equal to 4.5. Therefore, D is equal to 4.5 by 3, which is 1.5. It can also be written as 1.5. For the convenience of calculation, we write 4.5 as 3.5, 4.5 as 4.5. That means the resulting value of D, common difference D is equal to 1.5. Since it is given as fraction in the question, we are changing 1.5 to the fractional form 1.5. Now, The value of d is equal to 1.5. So we have to add the common difference to the first term for finding the second term. 5 plus 1.5 is equal to 6.5. 6.5 is the second term that we obtained. 5 plus 1.5 is equal to 6.5. Now finding the third term. 6.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 8. Now 8 plus 1.5 is equal to 9.5, it is given. Now for finding the fourth question, we are knowing the first term, second, third, fourth, fifth are unknown. We have to find out. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term is known. Sixth term, A6 is known. A6 is equal to 6. That means a plus 5d is equal to 6, but the value of a is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. Therefore, 5d is equal to 6 plus 4. We are converting minus 4 to the right. It is 6 plus 4. That means 5d is equal to 10 and d is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. The common difference d is equal to 2. Now we are going to find out the second term. Second term is obtained by adding the common difference d to the first term. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Here it is minus 2. Now minus 2 plus 2, it is 0. Then 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. These are the missing terms. Now, in the last question, we are knowing the last term and the second term. Last term means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term. Here also the sixth term is known. Sixth term means A6. A6 is equal to minus 22. The formula for A6 is A plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to minus 22. And second term is known as 38. Second term A2. A2 is equal to 38. That means A plus D. A plus D is equal to 38. We are solving these two, changing the sign. A and minus A get cancelled. 5D minus D is equal to 4D. 4D is equal to minus 60. Therefore, D is equal to minus 60 by 4. D is equal to minus 15. The value of the common difference is equal to minus 15. So, we have to subtract 15 from 38. 38 minus 15. 38 minus 15 is equal to 23. Here it is 23. Now, 23 minus 15. For finding the next term, we have to subtract 15 from 23. 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. Again, 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. Now, minus 7 minus 15 is equal to minus 22. In the reverse order, we are adding 15. Minus 22 plus 15 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 15 is equal to 8. 8 plus 15 is equal to 23. 23 plus 15 is equal to 38. Now, 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15 is the first term. 53. 53 is the first term. So, we obtained all the missing terms using the formula B is equal to A plus C by 2. This is a formula for finding the second term or midterm, and also we used the formula for finding the nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That also we are using two formulas for finding B and the nth term An. That two formulas are used here for finding the missing terms. Okay.